Welcome. In this video, we're going to go over all of the conference room features that are included with your GVO Conference live broadcasting room. Once you enter your conference room, you'll see something very similar to this. We're going to go left to right, top to bottom, and share with you all of the features that come with GVO Conference. The first thing I want you to note is GVO Conference offers a great branding feature that you can build know, like, and trust with splash images, logos, and clickable links throughout your room. This option is a must for anybody that's serious about webcasting. Starting at the top, you will always see your country flag. Right next to your country flag, this is your signal strength. This is your actual signal strength for your downstream and your upstream. So if you're having trouble, you can look and see. If this turns yellow or red, you know that you should do a better connection, and your viewers can also look at this same thing. This is one of the branding options. If you click on this button in your back office, you can set this to go anywhere that you'd like. The room setting feature allows you to turn off features for your viewers, off and on. And if you look down through, you can disable the talk now, you can disable the chat, you can do this button here for the guest to use video or not video. This box will disable the access files, which is right here, and we'll go over that with you. All of the features are on the fly, able to be turned on and off. Here it will also say welcome and your name. This settings feature actually will bring up your camera and your microphone. If you're using more than one camera or more than one microphone, you'll be able to see those on that feature there and adjust accordingly. This is your sign out button. Now moving down, you can see we have a guest list here. These are the people that are actually active and live inside of this webcasting room. One thing I want you to note, as a moderator, you see the flags of the people that are in your room. Look at how many people across the globe we have in this conference room alone. Now also, while we're here, if you hover over someone, you can get the information on them, their speed, what they're using for a browser, their IP address. Other things you can do is you can click and buzz this user. If you click the star, you can grant this person temporary moderator privileges by clicking that and selecting all. The guest list is something that's truly amazing with GVO Conference, as it does show the country flags. You can choose in room settings to show this or not to all of your viewers. Moving down below the guest list, this is the shared file access. You can click on this, browse, upload any file, and share it with your viewers. All they simply need to do is click on the shared file folder. They will see this same window and click on the green arrow to download anything that you happen to upload. It could be a PDF, a video, or a Word document, or anything you can think of that you want to share. The next feature right below the members list is you can do private conversations, two-way conversations, and also video chat with individual guests on your broadcasts. This is a way for you to mute selected members, so you would highlight them and then click the mute button. This is a way for you to kick a member out of the room. By kicking a member out of the room, they will be able to access it again. If you have somebody that's unruly in your room, you can actually ban this member from your web conferencing room, and they will not be able to access the room again until you unblock their IP address. Down below these functions, you will see if you actually have a multi-room account, you will see all the rooms that you have set up down below. You can choose here again to show these rooms to your members or not. Now, one neat function of GVO Conference is if you have multi-rooms, you can actually drag and drop people to other rooms that you happen to own on your account. This area right here would be your video feature. And to go on video, you would just simply click and hold the Talk Now button like I'm doing right now. Now, if you want to be hands-free where you don't need to use your mouse, you can actually go over here and you can click the hands-free button, and now I'm totally hands-free. When I click the button again, I come off of hands-free feature. Moving along the bottom, you will see you can turn your audio on and off by clicking here. You can turn your video on and off by clicking here. You can adjust your speaker sound here, and your guests can do the same. You can also adjust your microphone volume, and your microphone is chosen under your settings tab up here. We showed you the Talk Now button, which you would have to hold and press down and stay pressing down to talk, and the hands-free feature. GVOConference also has a recording feature where you can record your webcasts and upload for replay later at any point. If you happen to have a guest speaker on, these buttons may come in handy. You can actually mute, you can kick the current speaker out, or ban the speaker from the room. And again, a way to make somebody a moderator, if you don't create a moderator code for them, is to simply click on the star and grant them moderator privileges on the fly. Moving along, one of the other great features is being able to poll your guests on the fly. You simply click that button, type in your question in this box here, and your answers on a single line here, and then create the poll. Now your viewers are seeing this poll and you will get the results in real time. Other great features are these tabs that are run across the top right here. This chat mode is what we're in now, and you can chat with your visitors by simply typing in the text box here. And your viewers, if allowed, will be able to text chat back with you. To clear the chat, all you simply need to do is click this button here. To save the chat history, you would click this button here and it would download the chat history for you on your computer. The next tab is the browser feature. You can bring up any browser that you wish inside of the browser for your viewers to see. The presentation mode is where you can upload PowerPoint presentations on the fly and then do a presentation and stream them for your viewers. And you can see how easy that is to use. You can also draw on your PowerPoint presentations to highlight certain aspects of the presentation while you're doing it. The whiteboard feature is pretty straightforward, where you have a whiteboard that you can actually draw on. The video feature is kind of neat and has a couple different options for you. You can upload a video just about any format, FLV, MP4, MOV, and you can see to upload those, all you simply do is click Browse, navigate to the video on your desktop or your computer, and upload it. It will convert it to the right format for you to stream. Let's stream a video for you. All you do is simply navigate to the video you want to stream and click the play button. Now your viewers are seeing that same video that you're seeing. If you want to pause it, all you do is click on the pause button. Another great feature of this video tab is you can actually stream a YouTube video. All you need to do is type in a description and the URL of the YouTube video, and you can play it by simply clicking and doing the same thing. The next tab is desktop sharing, and this is great for doing interactive trainings with people or sharing your desktop. All you do is click on the desktop sharing tab, start sharing, and now you're sharing your desktop and they see everything that you're doing. You can also go to full screen mode for your viewers by clicking this button right here. You deactivate full screen mode by clicking that button again. To stop sharing your desktop, just simply click Stop Sharing. The 4x mode is an excellent way for you to do multi-broadcasting. What this means is you can be broadcasting in this window here in video, like this, and then all you need to do to add other broadcasters, other people to your conference, is simply drag and drop them to this window over here. As you can see, GVOConference is super feature rich, and it has some great yet easy to use controls. We highly recommend that you try the demo today, and we appreciate you watching this video on all of the features that are available with GVOConference.